If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Sefla's Kitchen. And today we're gonna be making a healthy recipe of broccoli which is called Achari Broccoli. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 500 grams of broccoli which are cut into small florets, then about 2.5 tablespoons of punch futon which is a mixture of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds and nigella. Then take about 2 to 3 dried red chili and blend it. Then 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala or amchur powder and some salt to taste. Now take a pan and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil or sarson ka tel. Then first add the punch futon and within a few seconds or a minute you will hear the sound and they will start to pop. At that moment add all the ginger and garlic paste. Saute that for a minute till the raw flavor is gone. Then after that add all the chili flakes we made with the blender and the chaat masala, or you can also use amchur powder. Then to the pan add all the broccoli florets followed by some salt to taste along with half a cup of water. Now mix it well and let it cook for about couple of minutes or till the water starts to boil. Then after that, keeping on medium to high flame, cover it with a lid and let it simmer for around 4-5 minutes. But it may take more time depending on the size of the broccoli florets that you are using. So it may take roughly around 5-6 minutes. So after removing the lid, add the garam masala powder, mix it really well and that's done. And that's it, a healthy recipe Achari Broccoli. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.